With the new year only weeks away, many of us start thinking about improving our health, wellness and fitness, which is great and very important for many reasons. Some are even more apparent given the current climate. However, a large number of people get too enthusiastic too quickly and often end up with an overuse or a misuse injury, which sets them back weeks and sometimes months. So, if you're someone who hasn't exercised or taken part in physical activity regularly or consistently for quite some time, remember that your body won't pick up where you left off. You're not going to be able to do all of the things that you used to do immediately. You won't be as physically fit or capable as you once were. And that is totally fine and absolutely normal. It doesn't mean that you won't ever get back there. It's just going to take a little time, dedication and focus. Health and wellness is a journey specific to each individual, which leads me nicely to my first tip. Don't compare yourself to others. We're all different. We all have different capabilities, tolerances, and goals. Stick to your own and focus your attention on you. Just because you see someone else doing something more often, doing something faster or easier than you, doesn't mean it's what you should be doing. Be realistic. Build your activity levels accordingly in terms of things like distance, weight, intensity, and how often per week you do them. Build slowly and gradually at a realistic pace to suit your own capabilities and plan your weekly schedule. Ensure that you have adequate rest and recovery periods between activities to allow your body to recover and adapt to everything that you're throwing at it. Don't feel bad about having a day off or an easy day. Rest and recovery is just as important as the exercise and should be factored as part of any successful training program. A rest day can include things like stretching, mobility, or even low intensity exercises like walking. Stay hydrated and get a good balanced diet. Your body needs fuel to perform. Too many people start New Year training plans alongside a rapid and very unhealthy reduction in food and calorie intake. Cut down on the crap foods, but don't starve yourself. This too can contribute to injury, so always seek professional guidance, which leads me to my last tip. This could be nutritional advice, some new sport-specific footwear, getting your running gait analysed, having a professional bike fit, getting some personal training sessions, or seeing someone like me for sports therapy to help identify areas of improvement, reduce the risk of injury, and to support your training goals. There's nothing worse than doing an activity without the right equipment, setup, or advice. It's likely to end with an injury. These tips generally help to reduce the risk of injury when starting a new routine or activity. However, even with the best planning, they do and can often occur. If you do happen to get an injury, don't panic. Someone like me can also help get you back on track safely with a specific recovery plan tailored to your needs and identifying the issues at hand. So, good luck with whatever you're planning for the new year, and if you need help or advice, drop me a line.